A great product is the foundation. A strong sales force brings it to the market and drives growth. At Sorath Ortho, our sales effectiveness is built on 3 pillars: deep product knowledge, strong clinical understanding, and meaningful surgeon relationships. Every team member undergoes continuous learning through scientific education, hands-on workshops, and market insights, ensuring they don't just sell implants, they deliver clinical solutions. With data-driven planning, distributor partnerships, and customer-focused execution, our sales team create value in every interaction. Because at Sorath Ortho, sales effectiveness isn't measured by numbers alone. It's measured by the trust we build, the surgeons we support, and the patients whose lives are transformed.